It's getting sad, man. Ladies and gentlemen, it's getting sadder every day, man, when you deal with these Negroes in the African-American community. And I keep telling y'all, this shit starts from the home, starts from the house. That's why these kids are out of control how they are, ladies and gentlemen, because it starts from the house. You got mothers in competition with their daughters. You got some fathers in competition with their sons. It's like it's sad in the African-American community. But this video here, ladies and gentlemen, this woman, once again, another black woman, a queen. A queen, that's what y'all call them, black queens. Well, they don't live up to that standards of being called a black queen. They are ratchet queens. That's what they are. But anyway, we did the one story where the lady was beating on her son in the car, putting hands and feet on her son, right? On her 13-year-old son. Now in this video, this lady put hands and feet on her 15-year-old daughter because she think her daughter slept with her boyfriend or the baby father or some shit. But it's sad, y'all, what goes on in the African-American community. And this is what our babies and kids got to deal with, ladies and gentlemen. I want the world to see this. How these black bitches treat our kids in the house when no one's around. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome back to another one of Shay's Reactions. Like, share, and subscribe, and definitely don't forget to hit that bell. Hey. So, today we're going to be talking about Haynes Renee Victorious, okay? That's her name.
And not only that, man, she's sitting there twerking and dancing with her little daughter. Like I told y'all, it starts from the home. Now, when that little girl grow up, what that little girl going to be doing, ladies and gentlemen? The same shit her ratchet-ass mother's doing? Let's go.
On Facebook, Haynes Renee Victorious. Okay, this lady, I just came across her page like 2 weeks ago. OMG, like, when I say mental health is real, mental health is real. And you want to know what's so sad? Not only we know mental health is serious and it's real, people is really finding jokes and laughs and humor out of this. You know, it's so sad. What this lady is doing. She really, I don't think she know what she's doing. The lady is in and out of the mental institution every other week. Okay, she's still raising minor children in her house. She done beat her 13-year-old daughter, 15-year-old daughter, to a pulp. Basically, listen, let's just get straight to it. Let's go, let's mother effing go.
Start cooking, baby. Look at the little daughter, y'all. Watching her mother do all this foolishness. House looking mess. House looking mess.
Get it, diamond. Get it, diamond. Get it, diamond. Get it, diamond.
Look at the little daughter, y'all.
Get it, diamond. Get it, diamond.
Starts in the house, y'all.
Like, come on, are you serious? Look at the music shorty listening to, twerking with little mama in between her fishy old legs. Like, you can't make this up from afar. You cannot make this up. Like, are you serious? And this is what people is condoning, and this is what people is supporting. Like, this is wrong on all different levels, but shall we?
What our babies gotta endure.
Like,
man.
This shit is sick on all different types of levels. Like,
this,
I ain't even gonna hold y'all. At the end of the day, a predator is really having fun with this video right now. Like, I don't respect this from afar. And for people to be on it, if y'all see the comments, people coaching her, some people's disagreeing with what she's doing right now. But are you serious? And if y'all hear the music that's playing in the background, but I couldn't play the music because the music, you know, it's gonna mess up my channel. But look at this.
Look at this shit, man.
Look at this. And they got the baby
coaching
twerking.
Her daughter, look.
But then the CPS want to come and remove people's kids that don't need to be taken, want to come to people's house that don't need visits from you guys. But you got people like this that's able to have their kids. And this ain't it, y'all. This ain't it. And this is not the last that y'all gonna see this girl. Like, this shit is crazy. It's ridiculous. But shall we get on and move on to the next video? Let's go. Give me y'all thoughts and y'all reactions. Is she sick or not? And is the people even more sicker to sit here to be condoning this? And cash apping her.
Face looking ass.
Buffoolery. Cash apping this lady just beat on her kids, mistreat her kids, and be a deadbeat mom. Instead of trying to get her some help. But shall we? Y'all left me 24 hours.
Hair like the devil. Y'all see that?
Y'all left me.
Demons, y'all.
Y'all left me. That's not fair.
Sad, man.
Y'all left me.
All that dirty ass money. Money is the most filthiest paper in the planet. And you put it up against your face.
Y'all left me.
Hood, ratchet shit. This what goes on in the African American community, world.
And you over here using money as a phone. Instead of using that money as a phone, you need to use that money to cover up them patches on your wall. Get rid of that mold that's in your house. Fucking fix your doors that's off the hinges. Okay? Buy your kids some clothes. Okay? Buy your kids some food. Like, your priorities is all messed up. But shall we? Okay, so this is Haynes' daughter explaining, trying to explain why her mom decided to put hands on her. Her mother, actually the lady that we seen twerking on her daughter, done pulled this girl braids out, done said this girl was sleeping with her man. Yo, it gets deeper. Like she was sucking D on Facebook, okay? And really stopped doing what she was doing to violate and disrespect the comments because she thought her 15-year-old daughter, which is her, was watching her. But check this out. I don't do this forever. It just makes me up for no reason. I just got my mom. It's just for all my fucking hair. I don't do nothing but help that bitch. I don't do this forever. It just makes me up for no reason. I just got my mom. It's just for all my. And no lies, had to go off to this 15-year-old because after all the things her mom done put her through, the mental health her mom is going through, that's probably hindering her. You know, she got to take care of her siblings and all of this on top of being abused. This girl still managed to find her way and learn in school. She's still finding a way to get an education, but shall we?
Remain calm and act on kindness and not violence. He also wanted them to know that he had a similar experience because his brother was also killed by a white man. While making his speech, John F. Kennedy wanted the Black Americans to remain calm and act on kindness and not violence. He also wanted them to know that he had a similar experience because his brother was also killed by a white man.
And mind you, this is the video after she done beat this girl, pulled her braids out because she thought she was sleeping with her baby daddy. This is how she treat her daughter and she ain't go to jail. This is so sad. The system is failing her. We don't need another Janaya. We don't need another. We need to stand up for this little girl because this is sad. But let's go. And this is so sad. Like how parents could be narcissists too. How parents could feel you too. Okay, how parents could have you thinking that you did something wrong. Okay, because after everything she did to baby girl, this lady went to the mental institution. Okay, so she's in a mental institution, and this girl still loved her mom through everything, posting her on Facebook, doing all this crazy stuff, and this mother is now in a psych ward and calling the daughter that she done beat and pulled her box braids out of her head and calling her so she can go lie for her and let the people know that she's locked up. This is sick. She's a manipulator on top. Like, I don't even know. I really don't even know. I can't even fathom the right words to say right now because this is just so disgusting. This is just so disgusting. And it's just like, I don't know. It's some type of, I don't know what's over our kids. 2025 after COVID, I don't know what's over our kids, but more kids is coming up missing. Okay, a lot of kids is dying and in the hands of their own parents. In the hands of their own parents. And this is really sad. And I just really hope baby girl wake up. And I just really wish that people could stop condoning this bull crap. But like, share, and subscribe. Definitely don't forget to hit that bell. And I'm off this till next video. Oh, trust me, it's plenty more. But pull up in the comments. Give me y'all thoughts and y'all reactions. Because this is hard. This is just all wrong on all levels.
This the sister channel right here, y'all. I want to go over there and sub to her channel. Shay's Reactions. This her channel. That I, use some of her content. But I like to share people channels when I use their content and acknowledge that. So the other people can get over there and subscribe to their channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that sub button too, ladies and gentlemen. Peace. And here's a sneak preview of what she got going on her channel, y'all. I always like to highlight that. Because there's some things y'all might say, like, hold on, let me get over there. Because she do got that ratchet mother. She been on that ratchet mother's top. But shit happens. We need to hold these people accountable, y'all. We're responsible for them. All right?